Hey guys, it's your favorite Monday here, Puppykins XO, and I'm finally back on the 7 Peppermint Paws, and I'm sorry about last week. I was grounded, so I couldn't make my video. And right now, as you can see, I'm in the middle of the woods. This is like 2 streets up from my house, and this is like private property, so I'm not really allowed to be over here. But you know, I kind of just like decided like, who cares? Let's make a webcam video. So yeah, the neighborhood's pretty close. Like that's like their neighborhood, like over there, but all the rest of the rooms, and like a private property sign was just put up now. Oh my god, so creepy. So I'm gonna tell you guys about the thingy of the week, the theme of the week. I'm gonna tell you guys quick because my camera's about to die. So my favorite food for Christmas, and you're gonna think this is like sounds silly, but I like turkey because that's what we have at our Thanksgiving. I mean our Christmas dinner is turkey and ham. So my favorite's turkey. And if you're talking about like treats like chocolate and stuff, I like candy canes, and that's probably everyone's favorite. My favorite Christmas song is either Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer or the 12 Days of Christmas, and you're all like, that's a boring song, but I'm talking about the one, I don't know what it's called, but it's like a different version. It's like, I don't know, but it's really funny. So I like that version, and if you know what it's called, it goes like, and hangovers and on the yeah, I don't know, I can't do this, so I'm sorry about that. So yeah, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, whatever that song's called, yeah, that's it. And I'm in the middle of the woods with my new Siggy Arctic Fox, and I have 2 of them. I didn't bring the other one with me. I bring a bag. I didn't want it to look sketchy with me bringing stuffed animals in the woods, but it also looks sketchy me bringing a bag. So sorry about that. So thanks for watching my video, guys, and please subscribe to my main channel, Puppykins XO, and I'll see you all next week. Bye.